Hello, my name is Kailash. I'm working for Gemini Architecture. So today we will start with our next tutorial that is based on Dialux Evo 8.1. So we'll start with Dialux Evo 8.1 and we talk about some new features about Dialux 8.1. So I just open my Dialux Evo 8.1. So that is opening. So now that Dialux 8.1 is open, so I just import one CAD drawing. So import a plan. I have one CAD drawing. So here is the CAD drawing. Where is it? Okay, open it. So import that file in Dialux Evo, and when you're working on that, there is something dimension problem. Means suppose you just import a plan and then trace it and extrude, then you see that is not like that. Means suppose they're not coming as a proportion. So there's function for this one. So we go here and see that arrow. I just click. Okay. You also change your unit from here. Suppose you have working centimeter, 4 inches, yards, and I just go for inches. Click here, go inches, and then check length again. See what coming here. This is zero point 0.6 because actually I'm not changing for edit portion. So I just go here, that is 5.6 meter, that if that is okay. So you just click on this one. Okay, when you check the length, that is okay. You check in your file in AutoCAD also. When you have any problem, check length again. So you have any problems, you're supposed to be there is if you check your CAD file and you see the dimension is different there, and when you imported that is different hit here. So you just type at here, what is the dimension of area. Type it here and then okay, enter it. So I go here, I check my window dimension, so that is approx 1.2 meter, that is okay for my CAD file. I go here and then finish. So that's simply solve your dimension problems. So first option is that. Okay, now we are working on this one. There is some more options are coming in Dialux Evo, so I will explain that one. This is my file. One more option is there. Suppose directly click this one and create your room. Where close. Okay, check it here. See, this is a new function in Dialux Evo. So you don't create in any exterior wall on that one. So directly you go to your room and trace it, and that will be oh, create a room. So second is here you go to the furniture and objects. Sorry, yes, the furniture and objects. Go here. There is some new option at here. This is cube and hemisphere, circle, and you see there the dimension also giving at there. So you just change your dimension levels from there when you just do, and then after I just place it. So dimensions, to I just change the dimension, you check here 2 meters, 2 meter, and 2 meter. So that is a new thing. You also change these. This means your change the dimensions. Like you can say, suppose this is a box, so you need when Dialux 8 point when we're working Dialux 8.0, so you just click on this box and scale it. Otherwise, you just type it here. So this is a new option at here when you're creating this one. So you just change that diameter and then after place it here. Okay, so one more new thing is there, and third is your One new more option is there. Suppose you create anything, any box of this area. Suppose you want to place in middle of that room. So right click on this one and center in the area. So box directly go to the center of this area. So one more function is there. If you need any kind of help about Dialux and if you want to learn Dialux, so please check our website. This is our website and there is the courses are there. This is LED lighting courses. So we have AutoCAD, 3ds Max, VA, Dialux. Though there is a lot of course for lighting designing. If you are interested in this course, so if you have any kind of project, so you need any help for me, so I will definitely help you. And check our website. Now one more new option in lighting. So I select the light and place my luminaire. Select this light. Okay, and go here. And this is my room. I just placed at here. Change the value to, and again I just select another luminance. Okay, and place that here. And I need to. So what is new in this lighting? Suppose you select this and this. So in Dialux 8.0 we cannot do select like this. So in Dialux 8.1 you click and drag and select the two lights and modify them. Move, modify, whatever you want. So that is a new option for lighting. Another function is lighting is there. So you go here and spaces, click this spaces. You go here and see the you change the presets at here. Go in, add it. Select this is suppose this is your education building, and there is a subcategory of this one here, art room. What is that room? That is education building, and suppose that is classroom, principal room. So I just select this one and that is classroom and go at here. Okay. Okay, next option is your documentations. Go here and add it. So that is for view configurations. You also import any view, any images from you have. So I just have this one. So that is imported. What happened in Dialux 8.0, you cannot delete that image. All images are coming there in that area, and you can, your project is being so heavy, and you can say that is supposed to be very hodgepodge on that area. So you now you can also delete that images which you not required. In street lighting we have some new options. I go here and go to select this street lighting and place my luminaire. Okay, there is some new options like IMAX 70, IMAX 80, IMAX 90, and IMAX 90, and IMAX 95, and there one more option is there. Okay, that's it. So these are the new options are there. So that's it. These are the new things in Dialux 8.1. And if you need any kind of help, so please, and if you like my video, so share it and like it. Thank you for watching my video, and this is my website. If you need any kind of training, any kind of suppose help, call me. This is my number. Thank you for watching.